Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the daily edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including WWE's big announcements for Raw episode next week, while big storyline planned for WWE Champion Randy Orton, and more WWE important stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 6 is WWE's big announcements for next week's Raw episode. WWE makes some big announcement for the upcoming episode of Raw. The next episode of Raw will be the built around what's next for WWE Champion Randy Orton. WWE already teased some possibilities last week on Raw episode. The Miz, who newly become a Mr. Money in the Bank, is lurking around Randy Orton's WWE Championship. WWE also saw the angle between Randy Orton, Drew McIntyre and The Fiend Bray Wyatt last week on Raw. Here is what WWE's statement about what's next for WWE Champion Randy Orton. The Apex Predator is back on the top of the WWE food chain, but the rest of the Red brand is hungry to take him down. Randy Orton had a chaotic start for his 14th World Championship reigns this past Monday Night Raw. As the new WWE Champion has a giant target on his back, Drew McIntyre is motivated to reclaim their title, and he brawled with the Viper as Raw went off air last week. The Miz lurked as a new Mr. Money in the Bank and dreamed to another WWE Championship run of his own. Then there is always ominous presence of Fiend Bray Wyatt, who isn't forgotten Orton's Inferno, the Wyatt family's compound. Finally, a showdown with the Universal Champion Roman Reigns at Survivor Series looms as who will be the calling for Randy Orton's next. So these are some words from WWE for what's next target for Randy Orton. Apart from this, WWE also announced other big things, including Jeff Hardy will face Elias in a guitar on a pole match, while the New Day face Cedric Alexander and Shelton Benjamin of Hurt Business in non-title match. Last but not least, Mandy Rhodes and Dana Brooke will face Shayna Baszler and Nia Jax in non-title affair. This also we can see couple of Survivor Series qualification match because there are still 2 spots left for main Survivor Series team. Till now, AJ Styles, Keith Lee and Sheamus seal their spots on men's Survivor Series team. So hold back and turn on the Raw episode this week to make this excitement to the end. Number 5 is big storyline planned for WWE Champion Randy Orton. At Hell in a Cell 2020 pay-per-view, Randy Orton successfully defeated Drew McIntyre and becomes 14 times WWE World Champion. In that match, Randy Orton also ends Drew McIntyre's 203 days title reigns. Look like Randy Orton's future as a WWE champion is still not confirmed that which way his storyline goes. Last week on Raw, we see 3 different confrontations with Randy Orton. First is Mr. Money in the Bank, The Miz confronts Randy Orton. Then Drew McIntyre confronts Randy Orton. And in the last, The Fiend confronts Randy Orton in the main event of Raw episode last week. So all looks a little bit confusing that which way WWE goes with WWE Championship. At the end of the Raw episode, we saw the brawl between Randy Orton and Drew McIntyre. So we can say that WWE will continue this rivalry for at least one pay-per-view. WWE rumors also stated that WWE could back forward to 3-way storyline of Randy Orton, Drew McIntyre and The Fiend. This idea could be to keep Drew McIntyre away from Randy Orton's because WWE does not want to put Drew McIntyre in any unnecessary spots where he suffer or lose. WWE latest rumors suggested that WWE wants one more match between Randy Orton and Drew McIntyre when actual fans returns for WWE show. This is WWE's thinking could also make sensible. Number 4 is Roman Reigns' reaction to Jey Uso's heel turn. Last week on SmackDown episode, Jey Uso faced Daniel Bryan in Survivor Series qualifying match. Jey Uso gets one of the big wins of his WWE career when he pinned Daniel Bryan and qualified for the main Survivor Series team spot. During that match, Roman Reigns will present at ringside. After that match, he approached to the ring and then things are changed on his heads. Jey Uso accepted to become a Tribal Chief's followers then unleashed on Daniel Bryan. So now we can say that Jey Uso officially turned heel and joined Roman Reigns. After the SmackDown episode, Roman Reigns gave his reaction to Jey Uso's heel turn and aligned with him. Here is what Roman actual words about the Jey Uso's heel turn. A hard lesson you finally started to understand. One step at a time. One step at a time. These are some words from Roman Reigns about Jey Uso. Just like we heard that WWE news before about Roman Reigns' heel fiction on SmackDown, Roman Reigns finally found the first member of his faction in the form of Jey Uso. So it's inevitable that when Jimmy Uso makes his WWE returns, he also joins force with Roman Reigns and Jey Uso. Number 3 is WWE's plan for Roman Reigns stable. According to WWE's news updates, WWE's plans are very well placed to build a stable for Tribal Chief Roman Reigns. WWE News suggested that the story already started to tell about new fiction build-up when Roman Reigns revealed Hell in a Cell match consequences. This idea is not just to elevate Roman Reigns' character, but it also put the Usos to the next level. Jey Uso already aligned with Roman Reigns last week on SmackDown episode, so it's just a matter of time that Jimmy Uso also make WWE return and join forces with Roman Reigns and Jey Uso. According to WWE's latest update, we can expect some big character changes in the Usos in coming time. Maybe the Usos could see wrestle shirtless just like Roman Reigns wrestles nowadays. This stable also give a new entrance theme song as soon as possible. As a long-term WWE plan, the focus is to maintain Roman Reigns' dominance on the SmackDown brand as a Universal Champion, while the Usos can reclaim SmackDown Tag Team Championship also. These plans can be put on hold until Jimmy Uso makes his WWE return, which is expected around December or January. Number 2 is Sheamus WWE Future Update. Sheamus is multi-time WWE World Champion and one of the top names in WWE right now, but he is not getting any big push in WWE in recent times. When WWE split the bar tag team, when we expected that WWE could give a big push to Sheamus, but it never happened in real. Right now, WWE used Sheamus as a jobber on WWE TV to get over other babyface superstar. There are some WWE rumors suggested that WWE planned to Drew McIntyre versus Sheamus feud. This makes sense that Drew McIntyre is a top babyface and while Sheamus is one of the top heel on Raw brand. Both men can deliver the best of them when WWE plans their feud in future. Here is WWE update. Good to see a tag team wrestle get win over single wrestler. I suppose, but between this and the Sheamus lose for last Friday, it really makes sense that if there is no plans to build a meaningful Drew McIntyre versus Sheamus match, feel like that he would be the good opponent for Drew McIntyre between two bigger feuds. They can always try to rebuild him or they can turn him on as a babyface. So sometimes they job out of the heel before the turn. These are the some forwards from WWE rumors. Last week on Raw, we saw that Sheamus defeated Matt Riddle and bagged his spots in main Survivor Series team. So maybe WWE continue feud Sheamus and Matt Riddle after Survivor Series 2020 show to put over Riddle as a top babyface. When Drew McIntyre finishes his feud against Randy Orton, then WWE can plan a feud between Sheamus and Randy Orton. Number 1 is why Kevin Owens wrestled in a jeans on SmackDown episode. Last week on SmackDown episode, we saw Kevin Owens face Dolph Ziggler in Survivor Series qualification match, where Kevin Owens successfully defeated Dolph Ziggler and sealed the spots in SmackDown's men's Survivor Series team. After that match, on social media, one of fans noticed that Kevin Owens wrestled in a jeans. That fan asked Kevin Owens that why he wrestled in a jeans in the last match in the SmackDown episode. Then Kevin Owens replied and said that one of the best and successful WWE superstar John Cena wrestled in jorts in most of his WWE wrestling career. Evans also told that in joking manner that he also wants to wrestle in jorts in the future. Here is what Kevin Owens replied. One of the most successful wrestler of all time wore jorts for most of his career. I am trying to subtle get that. First I wear shorts for years, then I wear jeans for years. Then one day doing just except for this way. Nobody noticed anything out of ordinary when I do. So these are some words from Kevin Owens to his fans. This is just a small but starting of the story about the Kevin Owens that we thought you should all know about it. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.